Upgrading your home is about more than just improving how it looks, it's about increasing comfort, functionality, and long-term value. For homeowners in Kendall, one upgrade that delivers all three is installing new patio doors. While often seen as a design feature, patio doors can significantly boost your property value in ways that go far beyond aesthetics. One of the most immediate benefits of new patio doors is enhanced curb appeal. Patio doors create a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces, making your home feel more open and inviting. From the outside, modern patio doors add a clean, updated look that stands out in Kendall neighborhoods. Whether you choose sliding glass doors or French-style doors, the visual upgrade can make a strong first impression on visitors and potential buyers. Natural light is another key factor that increases value. New patio doors feature large glass panels that allow sunlight to flood your interior spaces. Brighter rooms feel larger and more welcoming, which is something buyers consistently look for. In Kendall, where sunshine is abundant, maximizing natural light can transform your living areas into more enjoyable and attractive spaces. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for today's homeowners. Modern patio doors are built with insulated glass, tight seals, and advanced coatings that help regulate indoor temperatures. In Kendall's warm climate, this means keeping cool air inside and reducing the strain on your air conditioning system. Lower energy bills and improved comfort are strong advantages that can increase your home's appeal and overall value. Another way patio doors add value is by improving functionality. They provide easy access to outdoor areas such as patios, decks, or backyards, making your home more versatile for entertaining and everyday living. This indoor-outdoor connection is especially desirable in Kendall, where outdoor spaces are often used year-round. A well-designed patio door enhances how you use your home, which can be a major draw for potential buyers. Modern patio doors also offer improved security features. Reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass provide added protection. Buyers are more likely to see value in a home that offers both style and security, making this upgrade even more worthwhile. Durability is another important factor. New patio doors are made with materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum that resist wear from heat, humidity, and daily use. In Kendall's coastal environment, this durability ensures your doors maintain their appearance and performance over time. A home with well-maintained, long-lasting features is more attractive to buyers and retains its value better. Noise reduction is an added benefit that contributes to overall comfort. High-quality patio doors help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor environment. This can be especially appealing in busy neighborhoods, where peace and quiet are highly valued. Customization options also play a role in increasing property value. Homeowners can choose from a variety of styles, finishes, and glass options to match their home's design. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional style, new patio doors can be tailored to enhance your home's overall aesthetic. Professional installation is key to maximizing these benefits. Properly installed patio doors ensure a tight fit, smooth operation, and optimal energy efficiency. This attention to detail not only improves performance but also adds to the overall quality of your home. Beyond the financial aspect, new patio doors enhance your everyday living experience. They create a brighter, more open space and make it easier to enjoy your outdoor areas. This improved lifestyle is something that both current homeowners and future buyers can appreciate. Ultimately, investing in new patio doors is a smart way to increase your property value in Kendall. They combine visual appeal, energy efficiency, and functionality into one impactful upgrade. If you're looking to improve your home's value while also enhancing comfort and style, new patio doors are a practical and rewarding choice. With the right design and installation, they can transform your home and provide lasting benefits for years to come.